Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another makeup tutorial, and today I'm using a different new palette that I had in my collection since, when did this collection drop? I think this dropped last year in November, the GLAMLITE Martini collection. Y'all, I'm late to the party, but I'm here, okay? And I am going to be trying out this beautiful chocolate, what's it called? Chocolate Martini palette. This palette is, y'all gonna hear me talk about it so much throughout the tutorial, so I'm gonna leave my review towards the tutorial, but I will say this, she's a banger, okay? So if you guys wanna see how I got this look, then of course keep on watching. So we're doing a little chocolate martini today. Again, I wanna show you guys what this looks like. This is so cute. I wanna keep these, especially being that I paid for these. So I wanna keep them, I just don't know how I wanna have them displayed because they don't sit up without falling. So I don't know how to display these because I have the whole collection and it's really cute. I will not throw this away at all. So I was very careful on how I open it, and I opened it like at the very bottom part because I wanted to keep this looking nicely wrapped and fresh. Otherwise the seal would have broke and it just would not make cute no more. So I am saving that, but this is what the palette looks like once you take it out of that little case. It's so cute. And then this is the actual eyeshadows. Let me flip them upside down so the mirror won't blind you guys. It's a very beautiful neutral palette. And I will say, out of all my GLAMLITE palettes, besides the MIKAYLA palette, I think this is the only regular style of palette by GLAMLITE. I like these palettes. I have a lot of their pizza, tacos, you know how those are. They're very hard to store inside your collection. I keep a lot of the packaging because I'm like, they're big and bulkies. So I appreciate them keeping this simple and normal and not the shape at those bottles, because that would have been hard to store in my collection. But anywho, let's go ahead and get started with this look. I already prepped and primed my eyes. I am gonna zoom in just a little bit more so you guys can see more detail friendly on this makeup look. Okay, like always, I'm gonna start off with my brow bone highlight. I did already look inside the palette and there's nothing close to this color, so I'm gonna stick to my original favorite brow bone highlight, and I'm just gonna put this right underneath the brow bone just to set the conceal area. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow color called Dark Chocolate, and I wanna put this on my lid area. Brown is like the richest brown I've ever seen when it comes to like a neutral palette. Like, this is beautiful. Of course, to help buff out the crease area, I'm gonna go in with the color that's right above called Girls Night Out, which is this brown right here, just to help buff it out and blend it out just a little bit. I love how this is coming out. I just want to add one more crease color though. I just don't know which one, but I love how this brown smoky eye is looking. So I think I am going to go in with Syrup, which is this color right here. A little bit of that, and see if I can go above the original first brown, and then just help bring more of some warmth into this look. I put a little bit more of Girls Night Out back in my crease. And then of course more of the dark chocolate just to bring it back. I know it faded away with all the blending. that I have been doing. Oh my gosh, do y'all see this blend? Do y'all see the flow of these browns? Oh my goodness, like I really sat down here and did not have any intention on doing like a brown this, but that brown caught my eye and my attention. I was just like, I have to do this, and I did it. I am definitely going to come back probably like all this week with this palette, because I definitely want to do more looks using this palette, because it's not your typical basic like neutral palette. Like we have some beautiful cranberry colors in here, a lot of beautiful metallic colors. Like this blue is grabbing my attention, this blue, the metallic pink, and this metallic orange. Like I am really happy with this palette, so I will definitely come back very soon and do more looks using this. I don't know how soon, might be the next upload schedule, I don't know. But very soon. This is the blend, oh my gosh, this is, I love me some brown. So when I find a good brown into a palette, like I'm sold all the way. So this is beautiful. Okay, let me finish the other eye, and I'm gonna wing my eyes off camera, and then I'm gonna come right back. All right, so I did the rest of my face off camera, and of course the other eye. I am really feeling this brown. Just wait till I pop the lashes on to make everything go together. So now for the bottom part of my lash line, I am going to take the same brown. I'm trying to figure out which brown I want to go in first. I think I definitely want to go in with the deep brown, so the dark chocolate. I'm just going to place that on my bottom lash line. I'm going to use tightening motions. So I thought I was going to blend it out with the other browns, but I like how this is looking. So no, but I am going to add a little bit of color inside my inner tear duct. So I'm going to grab one of these metallic-y eyeshadows, and I think I'm going to go in with either Rich or Cheers. I think Cheers is definitely calling my name. So I'm going to take a little bit of some glitter glue, and I'm just going to pop this right in my inner tear duct. This works good if you have like the NYX glitter primer. This does the same thing as well. I just like the applicator in this because it makes it easy for me to get inside my inner tear duct area. So just gonna pat that on and then bring it down just a little bit towards the bottom part. This is very rich. Very much so rich. I wasn't expecting this go to hit like that. That is rich. So I'm gonna go back in with that brush and take a little bit of that dark chocolate brown just to help blend out the colors together. I like how this looks. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit more, and then I'm gonna blend it out a lot better. But right now I like the pigmentation of it. So being that I'm using GLAMLITE, I was like, I like to use as much as the same brand when it comes to like the eyeshadow palettes, if I got more products from that particular brand. So today I do. So I'm going to be going in with the MIKAYLA and GLAMLITE lashes today. This will be my first time trying them out, and these are in the style Code Orange. Okay, and then I'm going to be going in with the MIKAYLA and GLAMLITE Press Highlighter. I'm either going to go with this one or, hold on, let me grab it. I guess it's going to be this one because I cannot find the graham cracker one. I have no clue where that's at, so okay, interesting. And then I got some gloss, of course, by MIKAYLA and GLAMLITE as well. And I think I'm going to go in with a nice like fuchsia pink lip as well. So let me complete the rest of my face with the powder and blush, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I do for the lips. All right, so let's get done with these lips. I'm going to line my lips up with this Juvia's pencil. I'm not sure if this is my burgundy one or my brown. I don't know, but we're going to use it because I don't know where any of my stuff is at. So I'm going to line my lips. It's so cute. And I am now going to go in with my lip bar lipstick. This one is in the shade Prom Queen. It's a really pretty purple or pink, or however you want to put it. Now I want a little bit more of a nude part inside the center part of my lips. I'm going to go in with this Hank & Henry lipstick. and this is in the shade Love You So Much. I thought I was gonna add some gloss to it, but I think I'm gonna leave her matte. But because I have this in my hand, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right on top of this beautiful lip combo. I'm actually gonna put this on the back of my hand because I don't wanna mess up this lip applicator. And then I'm just gonna take a random lip applicator brush and then apply that on my lids. All right, so this is about to complete the look, but the last thing I forgot to do, because I'm looking at my face, I'm like, I'm missing something. The highlighter. Now you guys can see I've had this stuff for a long time, this MIKAYLA stuff, and have yet to try it down to the lip gloss lashes, and I am very pleased with everything so far for today. So now we're gonna go in with this beautiful, it's like a silver type of highlighter, yes. So I'm just gonna pop this on. I took one little tap. This is very pigmented, so I'm gonna put this on my nose. Ooh, this is so cute. Whoa. And I like to go down the bridge of my nose as well for the highlight. That ain't nothing to play with. Okay, so let's see what Miss MIKAYLA can do on these cheeks. I didn't think this would be a compliment when it came to my complexion, because I tend to go for more like gold highlighters when it comes to my complexion. But I like this one. I do feel like this one could be possibly like a universal type of highlighter, meaning it can go with many complexions. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I love how everything came out. Like, I'm very pleased with everything from today's banger, okay? The lip combo is definitely a compliment when it comes to the eyes, yes. And I do have on bottom lashes. I just wanted to put that out there. I do have on bottom lashes. They're from a Amazon brand that's not that good, but I just wanted to put that out there that I do have on bottom lashes. And as for the MIKAYLA stuff, the highlighter, love it. The lip gloss, love it. And these lashes are definitely going to be on rotation on my future looks. These are really, really beautiful. I thought they were going to be a little bit too natural looking, but they got a little bit of like dramaticness going on, and I feel like it's perfect for today's eye look. Like, it's not overshadowing the eyeshadows I got on my eyelid. So this is perfect. Like, I love it. This palette is beautiful. I will be back. I keep saying it. I will be back very soon using this palette. Everything was beautiful. Definitely want to take advantage and use that blue next time. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about this look. Let me know if you guys have tried any other products that I use in this video. Let me know how y'all feel about it. And I want to know who got Miss Martini, the palette itself. Look, I'm getting all dirty already. Oh my gosh. I cannot prevent myself from getting foundation on all of my makeup products. Okay, there we go. Let me know how you guys feel about this palette, if you guys have it. Do I feel like this is a neutral palette you might need in your collection? It depends on what you have already in your collection. I do have a lot of neutral palettes in my collection, but I do feel like this one has a little bit of a different character when it comes to it because of the placements of how it's placed and the color ranges. Like, it's not just your browns and golds. Like, it's a little bit of coppers and a little bit of pink and a little bit of blue. So yes, I think this will be a good one to have in your collection. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom, and of course I'll see you guys in my next upload.